Yeah, it's leaking right through the fucking side. You see that shit?
I told you them coil packs is fucked up. That's fucking retarded.
It's only the one. That's the first time I've ever seen that.
I don't think that's right.
Let me see if I can get a fucking beat on that. Hold on. I gotta take a video of that. I've never seen anything like that. You see that? You see the flash of light there? This is the coil pack in the back. See it? There it goes. Flash of light, leaking through the fucking side. It is arcing through the fucking side of the coil pack. That's amazing. That's the craziest shit I've ever seen. Look at that shit. That's awesome. I've never seen anything like that before. That was worth the price of admission.